Hi Devan. Today we're going to practice reading and writing the sound ng. When you say ng, you stretch the ng. You make a long nasal sound at the back of your throat. Ng. 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 Say the sound ng. Should we have a look at some pictures? King. 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 Sing. Sing. Spring. Spring. Wing. 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 Watch me draw. Thing on a string. Ng. 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 Same. 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 When you see this side, you say thing on a string. But when you see this side, you say ng. Are you ready to play our game? When you see the sound, or when you see the picture, here goes. Now let's get some sounds that you have already learned and let's practice our speedy sounds. Let's get ng in the pack. Remember to say the sounds that you see and to call out and point to that ng when you see it. Well done. Super duper quick. That was really, really quick. Ready? I'm going to hide him in the pack again. In the pack he goes. Let's go. Well done. You spotted ng again. Fred has been saying some sounds to me again, trying to work out some words. Are you ready for our Fred fingers? I, ng, ng, thing. Ng, ng, ping. Ng, ng, wing. Ng, ng, sing. Ng, song. Well done, guys. Now we're going to practice writing ng. When we write ng, we start at the top. We do our ng first. Down Nobby and over his net. When we go around the girl's face, down her hair, and give her a curl. So down Nobby, over his net, around the girl's face, down her hair, give her a curl.